Another model is the Eysenck model of trait personality, and he focused on types of personalities. It's about having two contradicting traits. Having a stable personality trait or an unstable, also called neurotic personality trait. Having a stable personality, you are said to remain and stick to the same reaction to situations. According to Weber, having a stable personality is the beliefs implied that a given individual will take similar risks across a range of situations, and that some people will be more risk adverse or risk seeking across situations than others. This theory also says that people are also said to be split into two different categories: introvert or extrovert. Introverts tend to be shy, quiet, and don't really share opinions. Theory tells us that introverts do not actively seek excitement. They prefer calm, quiet environments, whereas extroverts are the complete opposite. Extroverts are the type of people who are outgoing and loud. They also tend to be more confident and like to show off. The trait theory also tells us that extroverts get bored quickly, are poor at tasks that require lots of concentration. Eysenck's model of trait personality also puts into two categories, neurotic and stable. Being neurotic means that someone is very emotionally reactive to situations, and someone being mean. You could argue that extroverts do better in team sports because their personalities to be well spoken and voice their opinion, which is vital for a football captain, for example, whereas introverts may prefer sports like golf, which needs a fair bit of concentration and is an individual sport. But if someone is an extrovert and is neurotic, this can mean that during a game, if there was a foul they did not agree with, because they are so competitive and emotionally invested person, they may go about the situation in the wrong way. Comparing this to someone who is an introvert and has a stable personality, in the same situation, they may not let it bother them. And because they have more introverted personality, they may not even mention it or complain about it. However, the criticism of this theory is that it doesn't take into account that someone may typically be an introvert or has a stable personality. However, it may not always be like this and could change by the situation or the environment they are in. The graph on the screen shows the different characteristics of people who are introvert, extrovert, for example. Say if someone is a natural extrovert and they're low neurotic, then they are said to be have leadership skills, creative, lively, and outgoing.